Ironwood Electronics have recently introduced a high-performance GT elastomer socket for 783-pin ball grid array device. The device is 29 by 29 millimeters square, 28 by 28 array. The contactor used inside the socket is a GT elastomer. It has a very high performance of 94 gigahertz at -1 dB loss. It is a very short contact, which means very low inductance, 0.1 nanohenry. The operating temperature of the socket is -55 to +150 degrees C. To use the socket is mounted onto the target board using these 4 mounting hardwares. The back stiffener plates with the custom cut insulation plate assembles the socket to the board. To use the socket, look for the orientation, match the A1 corner, place the device inside the socket. The socket has a ball guide that aligns each ball to each elastomer contact, and there is a precise IC guide to place this thing inside. The lid is a double latch lid. It has an alignment pin that guides into these holes, and once when it is latched in, now the lever is closed. Now the system is compressed, device is compressed, and system is ready to use. Thank you.